If you're on the hunt for the best snorkel mask, then you have come to the right place, as this guide takes you through everything you need to think about when purchasing the best snorkel face mask. Hey guys, welcome to this video. In this video we will discuss and review the best snorkel mask, which are best sold and achieved top-rated reviews from customers and users. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product, please check the description box in the below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. Greatever Snorkel Mask. Full face masks make snorkeling a pleasure. That's why we have another full face snorkel mask on this gear list. That is one of the reasons why the Greatever Snorkel Mask has made it on our reviews. The full face mask makes it easier to breathe underwater while you dive. You will be able to inhale and exhale through your mouth and nose. If snorkel falling out has been a problem for you, with this mask, it never will be. Also, there's a fitted valve that prevents the water from getting in. As for visibility, the vision will not be foggy. The Greatever Snorkel Mask is one of the toughest out there. It is durable thanks to the thick plastic build. No one has reported it breaking, so you can breathe a sigh of relief if you're planning on getting it. Thanks to the revolutionized full face design, you can say goodbye to jaw fatigue as you won't have to gag on the mouthpiece. Another feature of the mask is that though it may seem bulky, it is easily foldable, and you can carry it comfortably on your long trips. The Greatever mask also comes with a detachable GoPro mount, allowing you to record and capture what you see. What we like: easy breathing, GoPro mount, portable, anti-fogging capability. Number 2. PRODIVE Premium Snorkel Mask. The conventional snorkel mask is back on the list with the PRODIVE snorkel mask coming in a set. The lens of the mask is shatter-resistant clear tempered glass which gives you a clear view underwater. This one stays fog-free throughout as fog-resistant material coats it. Also, the lens is scratch-resistant, and it can handle deep water impact well. The set comes with a waterproof case to keep the mask and snorkel. The straps are adjustable, and the skirt edges are of soft silicone, thus giving you a comfortable and proper seal around the nose, face, and head. The mask is easy to use and requires no treatment whatsoever. The dry snorkel helps to keep the water out, though it's best to keep the water out. Even if it gets in, there is a purge valve for removal. Also, the mouthpiece is adjustable which gives you the freedom to wiggle to find the right fit, a very popular feature among like masks, keeping in view the fog resistance. The price of the mask is just right. The build quality is also just as good as any high-quality snorkeling mask. Pros: consistently fog-free, right fitting, value for money. Cons: some reports of broken straps and leaks. Number 3. DIVELUX Snorkel Mask. This best full-face snorkel mask from DIVELUX features a broad panoramic view with crystal-clear visibility. Hypoallergenic silicone constructs the DIVELUX full-face mask. What makes it different from traditional snorkeling masks is that it covers the whole face and fits securely around the head, thus covering from the forehead down to the chin. Moreover, there is no separate mouthpiece, and the mask incorporates the snorkel as well. There are two distinct sections, the top for viewing and below for breathing, hence, leaving slightly any room for fogging. Also, there's the silicone skirt to make sure the seal is watertight, and there is no leaking or fogging. The elasticized straps ensure that the mask is well adjusted and comfortable around the head. When it comes to vision, the full-face DIVELUX snorkel mask gives you a comprehensive view. Other reasons to buy it are if you don't want to deal with jaw fatigue, or to gag on the mouthpiece while floating over the reef. This is a great pick for snorkelers or free diving. Also, it comes with a waterproof phone case to carry your cell phone with you as well. Many people have their concerns regarding full-face masks, and rightfully so. A lot of customers complain about the carbon dioxide buildup in the mask. This is really only a concern if you're doing strenuous exercise while wearing full-face snorkel masks, thus causing you to breathe heavily. However, if it's just your average snorkeling or scuba dive trip, you won't have any issues. What we like: clear view, allows natural breathing, comes with a waterproof case, watertight seal. Number 4. Cressi Scuba Diving Mask. It is evident that Cressi had comfort for snorkelers in mind when designing the snorkel mask set. I get the idea from the broader window view and frameless mask design. Since it's frameless, it is easily foldable, and you can keep it anywhere. So if you're having storage troubles, the Cressi snorkel mask is the one for you. Just mold it as you will, and keep it in your bag. The Cressi snorkel mask comes in a black theme frame design. It is durable and features a 100% silicone skirt which seals watertight. Although the skirt is long-lasting, the straps are not. Users have had issues with the strap as it broke down after a few dives. If tunnel vision isn't the one for you, then the Cressi frameless mask might be the right one for you as it offers an unobstructed panoramic view of the ocean or reef. This is thanks to the lens that stays close to the eyes. I mentioned earlier how important it is to have a low-volume mask. The Cressi Scuba Diving Snorkeling Freediving Mask is just that. Thus, making it easier to clean in case of flooding. Even though the straps are fragile, it is easily adjustable around your face and head, and won't snag your hair. Conveniently, it directly attaches the skirt, thus allowing free movement of the head. Other features include a hypoallergenic mouthpiece and a purge valve to directly easily expel water. What we like: portable, reduced weight, watertight seal, wider view. Number 5. WACOL Snorkeling Mask. WACOL brings in another economic snorkeling mask. This one comes in a one size that fits all thanks to the adjustable strap and the moldable skirt, thus giving you the freedom to put the mask on any shape or size, so it's great for sharing. The silicone skirt ensures a watertight seal. The lens is anti-fog treated tempered glass. The glass is one piece and thus makes the vision clear. The silicone mask and mouthpiece provide comfort and durability to the mask. However, the mask might not be comfortable for small faces such as mine. Many users have complained of their painful faces after wearing this mask. The mask comes along with a full dry snorkel and a plunge valve to expel water. Also, the advanced anti-splash system comes with it so that the water does not enter the mask. Lucky for you, WACOL will replace the product if you are not completely satisfied with it. What we like: value for money, one size fits all, watertight seal. Dry snorkel prevents water from coming in. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and like, share and comment on the video. Please enable notification bell icon so that you don't miss the next videos. You can check the price and purchase link in the description box below.